the Senada Herald Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Senada Herald Pro electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when delivered. It's packaged well with all the foam and plastic protecting it. There's some assembly required and the user manual does a good job on walking you through the process. With the bike, you get the charger, pedals, tool set, and user guide. And just to highlight the assembly process, basically you have to install the handlebars, install the front wheel, install the pedals and seat, install the rear rack and connect the rear light, adjust the display angle if necessary, and adjust the brakes if needed. Just to go over some specs, this comes in two colors, black or white. It has an aluminum alloy frame, 1000 watt rear brushless hub motor with 95 Newton meters of torque, 48 volt 21 amp hour lithium ion Dorado battery, which is removable, 3.5 inch LCD display, 5 pedal assist levels, a twist throttle, 45 to 80 mile range and 20 plus miles per hour top speed, Shimano 7-speed shifter, and it weighs in at 78 pounds. And here's a look at the dimensions. This has a recommended rider height of 5'6" to 6'5". Quick walkthrough around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front headlight, front fender, 26 by 4 inch Innova tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle, you'll see the battery keyhole, charging port, battery power button, the battery, and controller. Towards the rear, you'll see the kickstand, rear disc brakes, rear fender, rear light, and rear rack. On the other side, you have the 1000 watt brushless rear hub motor, 7-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. And finally, looking at the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, turn signal and horn buttons, LCD display, the controls, Shimano gear shifter, throttle on and off, and the twist throttle. To power up the bike, there's a button on the battery, make sure that's on. Then you can power up the LCD display. Pressing the up button will increase the pedal assist levels and pressing the minus will decrease it. Pressing the power button will cycle through the odometer and the trip. Holding the up button will turn on the front and rear lights. And this is how the horn sounds like. And you can see how the turn signals look when activated along with the brakes when it's applied. And finally, this has a walk assist feature. Hold down the down button for a few seconds until you see the walk icon appear on the LCD display. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I will test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. This trail is bumpy. The bike does have front suspension forks and also has a lockout feature, but I have it on right now, so let's see how it does. All right, it's handling it pretty well here. Now I'm going to test out the pedal assist levels. This has 5 levels. I'll start off with 1 and let's see how it goes all the way up to 5, and then we'll just do the throttle only. Okay, so this is pedal assist 1 right now. Okay, doing about 6 miles an hour. Moving to 2. Okay, you can definitely Feel it pick up. About 12 miles per hour. 3. It's about 18 miles per hour. As you switch through the pedal assist levels, you do feel that bump in acceleration. So about 17 on 3. Going to 4 now. We're doing 22, 23, and 5. Doing about 26 miles per hour right now. Okay, now we'll just do the throttle. As you saw with the pedal assist, we got to about 26 miles per hour, and you can definitely feel the power as you know, as you pedal. So let's just see what the throttle does. All right, we're at 17, 20. About 25, 26. So 26 miles per hour.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes, and you can use the parking lines as reference.
Now I'm going to do the uphill test. This road has a nice incline throughout. We'll just use the throttle, and then after that we'll go do the downhill test. All right, throttle only. There's good acceleration. It gets up to speed pretty quick. We're already at 20 miles per hour. 23. Very quiet. Feels stable throughout. I don't hear any rattles. So we're holding 22 miles per hour as we go up the hill. Let's see how it does as we approach the turn. Slowing it down a bit here. All right, you saw the uphill test. It maintained about 23 miles per hour. Just felt strong throughout. Now I'm going to do the downhill test. We're definitely going to pick up some speed, and I might have to slow it down as we approach that turn. Okay, so this is just going to be the throttle only downhill. All right, about 20 miles per hour, 21, 24. I'm going to have to slow it down here. All right. About 25, about 27, 28.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. Assembly was fairly quick, and the user manual, as mentioned, does a good job on walking you through the steps. The build and quality of the bike is solid. It just feels like a rugged, sturdy bike. It came in with no scratches or imperfections, and the paint has a nice glossy finish. It is a bit on the heavier side, coming in at 78 pounds with the battery. I like that they include the fenders, lights, and rear rack. The ride was very comfortable and smooth. It accelerated very quick and a lot of torque. You can definitely feel the 1000 watt motor going to work. I do like that they have an on and off switch to turn off the twist throttle. It just adds that extra layer of safety in case you accidentally twist it. It did well on rough surfaces. The fat tires and suspensions handled it very well. The handlebars are a good length and you can adjust the angle if need be. I found the seat to be comfortable and it's wide and pretty soft. The 1000 watt motor is impressive and it moves the bike with ease. The pedal assist is responsive and through my testing I got up to 26.5 miles per hour on level 5. With the throttle only, I was able to achieve over 26 miles per hour as well. It has an estimated range of 45 to 80 miles, and again that will depend on the pedal assist level usage, your weight, and the environment that you're in. The brakes were decent. I expected just a little bit more grab on them, but it is a heavier bike. I would have liked to have seen hydraulic brakes. The LCD display is a good size, easy to read, and the numbers are large. Overall, I was impressed with the bike. There is definitely good value at this price point. It has a large battery, powerful 1000 watt motor, and fat tires. It's versatile and can handle smooth surfaces with ease and rough terrain if you decide to take it off-road. So that is my review of the Senada Herald Pro electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.